Struggling to get your Pinterest audience data out? In 60 seconds, you'll have a CSV file ready for analysis. No more guessing who's actually seeing your pins. No more blindly tweaking your targeting and hoping for the best. You are going to pull the exact numbers that tell you who your audience really is and what they care about. Seriously, it's that fast. All right, here's the plan. I'll show you exactly where to click in Business Hub to export your insights. Just follow these 5 simple steps, and you'll go from no data to a full spreadsheet in about a minute. So let's start by opening Pinterest in your browser. Now, this matters. Make sure you are logged into the same business account where you run your ads. A personal account won't have these options. So go ahead and pull up Pinterest.com right now. Next, look at the very bottom of the left-hand sidebar on the main page. You'll see a little icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. That is the Business Hub menu. Go ahead and click that. See it? That opens up a whole new set of tools designed specifically for advertisers. From that menu, select Audience Insights. And here's the really important part. This is where you get the good stuff. Pinterest will start generating a report about your current audience. This shows you their top interests, their demographics, what other brands they follow. It is completely based on real data from people who have actually interacted with your pins. So take a moment to review the available data before exporting. Scroll through the cards. Look at the age ranges, the device categories, the top interests. This is the kind of insight that helps you decide whether you should target more people who love home decor versus travel, or whether your ad creative is actually landing with the right gender. Don't just rush through this part. Look at it. Understand what the numbers are telling you. Now, once you've gotten a feel for the data, you are ready to pull it out. So look at the top right corner of the Audience Insights page. You will see a button that says Export CSV. Just click it. A download prompt should pop up almost instantly. This might take a moment to process if you have a lot of data, but typically it is very fast. Just give it a second. Finally, save the file to your device. Your browser will ask you where you want to put it. I like to save it to my desktop or a dedicated folder for ad analytics, so I can find it later. Pick a name you will remember, something like Pinterest Audience Insights October campaign. And that is it. You are done. Your data is now exported as a CSV file. Open it up in Excel or Google Sheets, and you have a clean, organized table of your Pinterest audience ready for analysis. You can sort it, graph it, and compare it to your other platforms. And that, my friend, is how you stop feeling blind with your Pinterest ads. You now have the hard evidence you need to make smarter targeting decisions. Go play with your new data.